Cooking with Lily. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make microwave popcorn. Hold up. You berated me for an entire video because I made a tutorial on how to make a sandwich. And now you're making a tutorial on how to put a paper bag in the microwave? Wow, going off on me right off the bat. You didn't even let the Cooking with Lily intro start. I mean, you could have at least waited for it to start and interrupted it. I feel like that would have had a greater dramatic effect. Just stop. Okay. Wait, aren't the instructions on the bag? At least my tutorial actually helped someone. What are you talking about? Have you seen the comments? Oh, I'm pretty sure that was a joke. Oh. Can we just get on to the tutorial, please? Fine. All I need to do is put this bag in the microwave. No! Stop! We have to take off the plastic first. I mean, unless you want to set the house on fire. Oh, that makes sense. Wait, have you never made popcorn before? Have you never made a sandwich before? Fair point. After you take off the plastic, you put it in the microwave and press this handy dandy popcorn. No. You cannot press the popcorn button. Everyone knows not to push the popcorn button. Why? It's called the popcorn button. We're making popcorn. Just don't. Well, what button do I press then? Just put it in for 2 minutes. Once the popcorn is finished, you take it out of the microwave and open it up. What are you doing? Opening it? Can you read? Yeah, why? You're holding it the wrong way. Oh. Just let me do it. Alright. Dude! I can't believe you fell for that. Well, I guess we're even now. Okay. You wanna watch a movie? Okay.